Hey, good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com. First, hey, if you're not a member, why don't you give us a try? Got a lot of new members coming in, and generally speaking, the feedback is awesome, even though the market's been kind of tough. So check us out. I promise you, when you're done, whether it's in a free trial or just later on, you're going to find out that you're a better trader. You're not going to be able to help it, okay? Sorry about that if you like losing. Can't help you there. Okay, with Vista Outdoor. This is a stock that I haven't traded in quite a while. I was just running through a scan of my squeezes, and I see that this stock has been grinding around right along the 50-day moving average, which is essentially flat. Okay, so this is the kind of thing I like to see, because what it does is it gives us a potential for a big breakout. Boom, a big move higher. We don't have that yet, but this is a pretty simple analysis. What I'm looking at is if the stock pops up like above 42.25, which is a recent high, that's when I'm wanting to buy the stock. So I'm going to be buying the stock here, 42.25, and then I'm looking for at least a $45 handle, which really isn't that high. This is a sporting goods company. They carry all kinds of stuff, even the stuff that spits out lead, and so there is some demand for the product, but I don't really care about that. What I care about is if there's demand for the stock, and I would say that if this stock, if it starts running up, you know, like above this 42.25 level, about there, that's when I'm looking for higher prices. So, all right, got it? That's all I got for you. Short and sweet. See you tomorrow.